Hi, I'm Dan with Power Tech. Today we're going to be doing a service on a 20 kW residential generator. That's going to be a oil filter, new oil sample. We're going to be load testing the battery, checking the air filter, and looking for any deficiencies while we're in there doing the service. Also, along with the generator, we're going to be looking at the transfer switch and doing a transfer test to make sure that the transfer switch is operating correctly with the generator during a power outage.